So why do I teach people and companies how to negotiate? Good question. I think what it comes down to for me is how I can best be of service, how I can help. Negotiation is merely just a method in which to do that. I think this desire to help and be of service and help companies and people be more successful, I think it has to do with growing up with my dad, a single parent. So my dad raised me, and he was a serial entrepreneur. When I say serial, I mean like every week there was like a new business idea he was working on. And I remember my bedroom was always my bedroom as well as the room where all his failed business ideas used to live. And I remember being like a young kid, like 7 or 8 years old, and I would then jump on the phone and try to sell his failed business ideas. So my life as a kid was going around with my dad trying to make his businesses successful. I remember this one story. I remember we were at a grocery store. At the time, my father was working on a potato chip company called Beacon Hill Potato Chips. And my dad would have me walk around the store, and then when I would pass his potato chip display, and he would be like in the dairy section pretending to shop for milk or something, and I'd be like, Dad, they have Beacon Hill potato chips here. They have it, we finally found them. And of course, like all the adults around me would like look at the display and they would go buy potato chips. So those were the types of things I was doing when I was like 12. So I think it was just like, I think it just made sense. So when I became an adult, it just made sense that I would help people create more successful businesses, because I had been doing that since I've been like 8 years old. So that's why I do what I do. That's exactly why.